Hello everyone and welcome to pharmacy study. As we have studied about the alkaloids, we will study the remaining alkaloids in this lecture. Let's start with the alkaloids, that is indole alkaloids. The first one is ergot. Ergot, from where the ergot is obtained. It is the ovary of the Sickle cereal ray plant infected with the fungus of Calvicepis purpurea. It is sclerotum is collected. The plant that is infected, its sclerotum is collected and its family is the Calvitaceae. Okay, moving on to the chemical constituents, that is ergotamine and ergotametrine. Whereas the ergotamine is inactive in nature and it is used for the pain in your head, that is migraine. Another one is ergotametrine, that is an active constituent and it is used in the PPH, that is postpartum hemorrhage. The test to identify this is Van Erck reagent. Next, moving on to next is Rauwolfia. Rauwolfia, that is also known as सरपगंधा और छोटा चांद. ये हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? तो इट इज़ द ड्राइड रूट ऑफ Rauwolfia serpentina. Because it is a snake-like structure, that is why it is known as the serpentina. Family is Apocynaceae. The name Rauwolfia was given to this by the owner of Dr. Rauwolfia, जिन्होंने इसे find out किया था, and it looked like the snake-like structure, that is why it is known as the Rauwolfia serpentina. Its chemical constituents are razorpine and razormine. Okay, chemical test gives 1% tincture drug shows the blue fluorescence under the UV light. Its uses are tranquilizer, androgenic, neuroblocker. Its substituent Rauwolfia densiflora, Rauwolfia tetraphylla, Rauwolfia vomitaria. These can be substituted by these three kind of the drugs. Next is Nux vomica. Nux vomica, that is also known as the crow fig or kulcha in Hindi. Source, it contains the dried ripe seeds of the Strontius nux vomica and its family is Leguminosae. Okay, the main thing in that is it should not contain less than 1.2% of the strychnine, that is the chemical constituent. Its chemical constituent contains strychnine and brucine. This one is more active than brucine and it's used in powerful CNS stimulant, whereas the strychnine is used as a rodent killer. Moving on to next is vinca. Vinca, that is also known as the Catharanthus periwinkle or Baramasi, that we can easily find in our gardens. Source, it contains the dried whole part of the Catharanthus roseus or Vinca roseus. Its family is Apocynaceae. That is mostly found in the Madagascar. Its origin is from the Madagascar. Its chemical constituents are vincristine, vinblastine and ajmelicine. Okay, it is useful to the children, adults, all of them, for treatment of leukemia in children. In adults, it's used for the Hodgkin's disease and also used in the breast cancer. Next is the cytostigma, or it is also known as the calabar beans. Its source is seeds of the Cyclostigma venenosum and its family is Leguminosae. Chemical constituent is cyclostigmine. It is also useful in the treatment of the glaucoma, that is related to the eyes. Okay, that was all about the indole alkaloids. Now we are going with the next is tropane alkaloids. ट्रोपेन अल्कलॉइड्स को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वन आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट होता है, दैट इज नोन एज द वाइटल नोरेन टेस्ट. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट इज बेलाडोना. बेलाडोना इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द डेडली नाइट शेड. Okay, its source is the dried leaves of Atropa belladonna and its family is Solanaceae. Its chemical constituent contain L-hyoscyamin. L is written because all of the tropane alkaloids contain the levorotatory isomers only. As you will study further, all the tropane alkaloids will contain the levorotatory isomers. Another uses is it's anticholinergic and spasmolytic. Next is dhatura. Dhatura, that is obtained from the leaves of the dried dhatura metal, and its source chemical constituents are L-hyoscine, that is L-hyoscyamine, and it is L-hyoscine. Its uses, its motion sickness, asthma, and okay. Next one is hyoscyamus. Hyoscyamus, that is also known as the henbane. Talking about the source, Hyoscyamus niger, it is the dried flowering top of the Hyoscyamus niger, and its family is Solanaceae. Talking about the chemical constituent, it contains L-hyoscyamine, and its uses is anticholinergic and spasmolytic, as we have seen that same in the belladonna. Next one is the strontium. Strontium is also known as a thorn apple. Talking about the sources, dried leaves of flowering top of Dhatura strontium, and its family is Solanaceae. केमिकल कंस्टिट्यूएंट की बात करेंगे तो इसके अंदर बोथ होते हैं L-hyoscyamine and L-hyoscine. So it is also used in Parkinson and motion sickness. Talking about next is coca. Derived leaves of the E-erythoxylene coca or E-troxylene. Its chemical constituents is cocaine, that is its chemical name is methyl benzoyl egoquinine. Its uses is coca is used as a local anesthetic, as we have studied in our previous classification also. Last alkaloids that we are studying is isoquinoline alkaloids. First one is the opium. Opium, that is used as a raw opium. It is also known as afim in Hindi. Source, it contains dried latex of Papaver somniferum. Okay, the main thing is that it should not contain less than 9.5% of the morphine. It has various uses. Morphine, it is used as analgesic. Codeine, used as an antitussive. Papaverine and narcotin is used as a vasodilator and a spasmolytic. These are all related to mostly CNS or to the respiratory tract. All these compounds are basically made up of the meconic plus sulfuric acid. Next one is curare. Curare, that is also known as the arrow poison. The latex of stems and leaves of the plant belonging to the family Leguminosae and Menispermaceae are collected and they are used as curare. Chemical constituents are D-tuberoin and it's used in the skeletal muscle relaxant. नेक्स्ट की बात करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट इज़ हाइड्रोस्टेटिस. उसको हम और भी कह सकते हैं, दैट इज़ गोल्डन सील. उसका सोर्स है रूट्स एंड राइजोम्स ऑफ द हाइड्रोस्टेटिस कैनेडियसिस एंड इट्स फैमिली इज़ बर्बीडियंस. Its chemical constituents are hydrostasin and berberine. It is used to control the uterine bleeding. Next and the last one is EPAC. Source, roots and rhizomes of the Cephalus epacum or Cephalus acuminate, and its family is Rubiaceae. Chemical constituents are cephalene, amethine, cyclostrenine or O-methyl cyclocotrine, and its uses are amethine anti-amoebic in case of E. histolica and expectorants. So that was all about the alkaloids. As we have studied the detail about the steroidal, pseudo, indole, isoquinoline and tropin alkaloids, here the topic about the alkaloids are completed. Now next we will further study about more in detail. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video to get more informative videos